The M3 system or the lean body system? Which one should you choose? You know what? That's a burning question that so many people ask, and I get asked that question all the time. My name is Renee Melby, and I have lost over 50 pounds using these products. This is me. This is my before, and I'm going to say was my after, but now this is my after. I'm down to a size 4, and I weigh 140 pounds. And that is from a size 16 and 198 pounds. These are some more of my results, also along with a couple of other people's results. Both the M3 system and the lean body system are changing lives all over the world, you guys. All over the world. They are scientifically formulated to help you take control of your health and to reinvent your body. And both systems support a healthy lifestyle while allowing you to enjoy real food and get real results. But the big question that everyone wants answered is, which one should I choose? So separately, the lean body system and the M3 system are very powerful programs, and they help people achieve their specific goals. But together, they offer a comprehensive body transformation. Or should I say an experience? That's what I like to call it, a body transformation experience. So what makes the M3 and the lean so successful and effective? More importantly, what makes them so unique? I want to share a few things with you tonight, and I'm going to start by explaining the M3 system. Let me get my water out of the way. It is inspired by the Mediterranean lifestyle, and it is a 3-part system that includes the burn, the sustain, and the sink. Okay? So, the burn is scientifically formulated. It's a thermogenic that increases your metabolism with a powerful blend of plant-derived fat-burning ingredients. I had to say that slow or I'd get tongue-tied. So fucoxanthin, and I know I didn't say that right, it's a very potent coastal seaweed extract that has been shown to promote fat oxidation. Our burn contains 3 times more than the leading brand. And I can remember that because I'm from the beach and it's a seaweed extract. So it also has an Indian berry plant in it called berbeine and an essential chromium, which is a key ingredient. Both of those support healthy blood glucose levels within a normal range to ultimately reduce those unwanted cravings. Finally, there is an olive fruit extract in here that adds to the nutritional support, while there's a coffee bean and a green tea supply or a coffee bean and green tea that supply a natural caffeine. So what that means is it does not give you the jitters, nor is it mind altering in any way. Now, we don't want you to go for sugary snacks while you're at work, running through the snack machine or anything that's going to help you get through that midday slump and the sugar, and you get that rush, and then all of a sudden there you are again. So the M3 program includes the sustain. You can get this, and I thought I had an individual package, but you can get this in individual packages. You can slide right in your purse, or you can get it in just the bag. But what it does is it helps you get rid of those fat, heavy snacks and all the sugary items, and it gives you the protein and the vitamins you need that help control your appetite. You know, I have to remind myself to eat when I drink this thing. Now, when dinner is supposed to fill you up, or if you're a person that likes to have a little dessert or a late night snack like I did, Sync is going to be your best friend. Sync, like, I used to drink a tall glass of chocolate milk every night before I went to bed. And then I exchanged that for this Sync. This Sync is a delicious chocolate fiber. Yep, I said it. It's a fiber. It's an apple and an oatmeal fiber, and it helps to promote, or it helps optimize your digestion and helps to lessen those late night cravings. I would drink this. I could turn it into ice cream. I could turn it into a pudding. I can do anything I want to with this. Listen to this. When I say this, just listen when I say this. Together, these three products are remarkable. They provide a clean and effective system for reaching a healthy weight. But it's recommended that you commit to the M3 and the Mediterranean way of life for at least 3 months to truly see the benefits. What I want you to remember when I say the Mediterranean way of life is that's not a diet. That's a lifestyle. It's one that's been tested and tried for over 100 years, but hundreds of years. It goes way back. And if you're wanting to lose more than 20 pounds, if you're wanting to lose 50 pounds, if you're wanting to lose 100 pounds, more than 20 pounds, the M3 system is, to me, the best place to start. Now let's talk about the lean body system. This is an advanced approach to achieving your body goals. Not just your weight goals, but your body goals, okay? This also includes 3 Modere products, one being the Burn, the Trim, and the Activate, okay? This is designed to accelerate fat reduction and promote a lean body composition. Got to say that slow too. So the lean system helps users reduce inches and shape their physique, which also makes it the ideal next step to the M3 program. If you've done that M3 program for 3 months. Now, the lean body system, if you have 20 pounds or less to lose, okay? So I want to talk about the Trim for a minute. The Trim features a first-in-the-world combination of technologies to accelerate fat reduction, to improve muscle tone, and to promote a sculpted lean body, okay? The CLA, or I'm going to see if I can pronounce it, conjugated linoleic acid. Conjugated linoleic acid. It's plant-derived, and it's actually shown to block fat transport from the bloodstream to the fat cells. It's multi-patented. It's got a multi-patented collagen HA matrix technology, which helps replenish the collagen and the hyaluronic acid levels in your body, helping support the youthful skin, the joints, the muscle fitness. But also what it does is it helps promote a leaner, more sculpted physique. Okay, that's where the inches come in. Trim is really popular to add to the M3 program so that you can accelerate your results. Okay, not accelerate the weight loss, but accelerate the results. Burn, again, is that fat burning metabolism. Its unique benefits are the reason that it's featured in basically both of the programs, both the M3 and the lean body sculpting system. And then Activate is your first thing that you want to do when you're on the lean body system program. It's a 3-day detox, and it's formulated with organically grown aloe vera. It naturally eliminates the toxins. Plus, it has an apple pectin and a psyllium seed husk for the extra fiber that you need. This is just 3 days, once a month, and it will help ignite your digestive energy. So it is really the perfect companion to either one of these. It comes in the lean body system, but you can add it to the M3 program if you wanted to, okay? These two powerful systems has benefits that far outweigh and go beyond weight management, to me. More than the first step to a healthier body, these programs to me represent a healthier lifestyle. They'll help you get the most out of your goals. They'll help you reach your goals, and they'll help you make more conscious efforts or decisions to live clean. Now, the big question that you probably have, and I've mentioned it throughout the video, I've gone from a size 16 to a size 4, from 198 pounds to 140. Which system did I use? I like it all. I used the M3 system, and I added the trim to it. I needed a shake because I'm always on the go, and I didn't want to run through the Mickey D's drive-thru and mess up what I've already started. So I could slide this right in my purse, shake it up, and drink it, and keep on going. It helped me stay on track. I love chocolate, and so I wanted my chocolate snack at night. And I also wanted to see the benefits of the trim because I kept hearing so much about it. And I watched it work for me. Now, did I follow the Mediterranean lifestyle? No, I didn't. Not like I should. I did the take 3, make 3. Make 3 healthier choices. So I'm going to simplify this and go over this one more time with you. For me and my thoughts, if you have 50 pounds to lose, or if you have 20 or more pounds to lose, 50, 100, whatever, start off with the M3 system. If you have 20 pounds or less that you want to lose, and you want to see a little bit more toning going on, and that's really all you want to do, then go with the lean body system. Listen, the best way to do this is tag the lifestyle coach that invited you to this community. She or he will explain the 5 lifestyle changes in your eating habits that I was talking about. You can pick at least 3. Do all 5 like I did, or go 3 to 5. You know, the best tip that I can give you, though, is this. Don't be a scale watcher. Hashtag scale watcher, or repeat that in the comments. Don't be a scale watcher. These products work in the body, not in the cabinet. Make sure you drink plenty of water to flush out all the toxins, and most of all, be consistent. If you fall off the wagon, guys, get right back on. It's just as easy to keep going as it is to give up. You be the one that keeps going. Don't quit. Stay consistent. I cannot wait for you to share your journey right here in this page, because I'm going to be the first one cheering you on.